Hello everyone, and today I have a GameMaker tutorial for you on 3 helpful scripts. I didn't get too many views on my last helpful scripts video, but hopefully some of you will find this one a bit more helpful. So the first script and the second script are both fairly basic, but I feel like they'll help a lot of people while they're developing their games. So this first one is array has value. And this takes 2 arguments. It takes the array and the value that you're searching for. So here we set up a temporary variable, setting it equal to the value. And then we loop through our array. And for each iteration, if it equals the search value, then we're going to return true, which means it has that value. But otherwise, it doesn't, so return false. The next one is chance, and I feel like this one is definitely helpful. I've used it quite a bit myself, especially if you just want a chance of something happening, like I don't know, money spawning from an enemy dying. If you only want a certain chance of that happening, this script will be very helpful. So this only takes 1 argument. It takes the percentage of the chance of the event you want to happen. So this is the percent that it will happen. So we set up a temporary variable called v, which is just value, and that'll be a random integer between 0 and 99. So we get a proper 100 since 0 is counted. And if the value that is chosen from this random value is less than the percentage, then we can return true, but otherwise return false. So this gives a fair chance of something happening. Now, most people would put 100 in here, but since the computer or the program, I guess, starts counting at 0, it's included, so 100 is actually 99. And the last script is for drawing purposes. If you have a number that's a string, you can convert a number to a string very easily in GameMaker, in any language really. But this string 1000 script will draw the string with commas placed accordingly to make it, million, 1,000, or whatever. So it takes 1 argument, which is the string, and we set up quite a few temporary variables here. The string length, the return string, and the place that we are at in the string. So here we just set those up. We make sure that our string value is truly a string, and then we go ahead and get the length of that string, and we just set up our return string as empty for now, and place is undefined currently. So if our string length is less than 3, that means then it's just in the hundreds, and we can just return the regular string. But otherwise, we need to get every 3 places of this string. So here, let me show you real quick. So say we have a string that's, I don't know, like that. So we need to go every 3 spaces. We need to check and see if we can place a comma. And what I mean if is if we go 3 spaces and we're good, then we go another 3 spaces, we're good, and then we try to go another 3, but there's only 2, then that means there'll be a comma after the first 2 digits, if that makes sense. And then there'll be only 1 more comma and no comma at the end. So basically, place will be our string length minus 1, getting the remainder if that is divided by 3, plus 1. And then our return string will be copying from our string that we've placed in from the first index and place, which was defined here. And while place is less than the length of our string, then we will add a comma into our return string and copy the digits accordingly, copying 3 digits. And then we add 3 to our place because we've added 3 digits to our return string. And then at the very end, we just want to return that final string that we created, and that's pretty much it. So I can show you an example of what this would be like. The chance script is represented by this click me button here, and down here you can see our string 1000, which in the object, this is the string that I've input, and then in the draw event we just set up a temporary variable saying drawString, and that's equal to string 1000 string, and then we just draw that to the center of the room. And if I run this again, you can see it draws our number accordingly. And if I click this, there's a 50% chance that this will change the image blend to red, but otherwise it will change it to white. So if I click this here, there's a 50% chance that it will turn red, and it didn't. I'll do it again. It turned red. Click it again, turned back to white. One more, it didn't. One more, still didn't. So that's pretty even 50% chance. That's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of helpful scripts in GameMaker. Make sure to leave a like and comment with any questions you might have. Thanks. I'll see you guys next time.